Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And let's see how we can view Instagram stories without showing seen. So, the first way to do this is to pick a user whose story you don't mind being seen, watch their story, and then swipe to the next one you want to secretly view. By doing this, it won't be recorded that you've seen the second story entirely, but it works better for pics than videos. Method number 2, though, is a bit more dramatic because it involves blocking the person whose story you want to check out. Then go to their profile, tap those 3 dots in the top right corner, and block them. Now, the downside here is if they're your friends, they might wonder why you blocked them on Instagram. But after 24 hours, you can unblock them, and they won't know you watched their story. Method 3 is by far the best. Use a website called storysaver.net. Open up any mobile browser, type in that URL, and you can download Instagram stories and even posts without leaving any trace. Just enter the username of the person whose story you want to view, and hit download. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.